cool down. I'm trying to cool down.
Could it be you calling me down, 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 down? My foolish heart turns at the stars.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's your girl Amber Ashli. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, welcome. Happy to have you. This channel is about fashion and money and music. I just revised my channel art, so I'm excited about that. I did it myself, so go check it out. And today, if you know by the title, we're doing an unboxing of this brand called Ahavah. Now, it's pretty special to me because this is actually a close friend of mine. Her name is Ashley Smart. She does custom women's wear, and she also has athleisure. So I'm just going to jump right in and not waste any more time, because I can kind of go on rambling like I'm about to do now. All right, let's go. So this is the package. I haven't opened it yet. I purchased this for my own coins. Nothing sponsored. Nothing sponsored. Even though she's a close friend. Because you should support your friends and you should spend that money. You feel me? So this is the packaging, as you can see. Check the description box for her website. Definitely shop there. And yeah, let's just get into it. I got my blade. So I'm just gonna open it up. Alright. So everything is in its own individual package, which is very, very good. I think this is the mocha set I ordered, the top and the bottom, and then I think I ordered a bottom. Oh, it is a card. Oh, that is so nice. Let's see what it says. Wow. Thank you. You're a real gem. Oh, thanks, Ashley. That is so nice. And it says how to care, turn inside out, machine wash cold, do not bleach, mild detergent, dry on low settings, wear with confidence. Yes. So I like that. That's pretty dope. And I like the art. Very cute, very cute. Alright, let's open it up. So, first, I'm going to put this down. This is, oh, the top. Why I didn't remember that. So this is the sports bra, the top. I love this color. It's so rich and brown, and it feels so soft. And her label's right there. So that's dope. That's the first item. You already know I'm gonna be styling it. Come soon. This is just the unboxing. Then I got the hoodie top. It's like a crop hoodie, which is really cute. Has a drawstring in the middle, Ahavah on the front. I'm a large, so I got it in a large. So I like that as well. Oh, why is my lighting changing? I don't like that. The lighting is changing. And then last but not least, these are the leggings that I ordered the set. I basically ordered the entire set, yes. So the leggings, come on, this is not my friend right now. And this is the brown mocha. Yes, so I'm excited. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm gonna style it up, you already know. And definitely check out her website. The link is in the description. Let me know what you think about Ahavah. I personally like the brand. It's very chill. She is a black fashion designer. She does custom wear. She makes a lot of cute stuff. So definitely check out her website and check out other colors that come in this. I think it's ivory and the other is black. So definitely check that out. I think she's out of stock in this, so stuff is moving. But that's all I got today. That's all I got today. But thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you love this content. I'm pushing out videos. I'm staying consistent. I told myself I'm about to do that. I'm on it. So I'm just getting it out there. But thank you so much for watching. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, drink your water, and I will catch you on the next video. All right? I'll see you. Peace.